Good morning, second grade. It's time for some Super Kids. So we are on lesson 10 today for our stuff. So make sure you have your word workbook, your reader, your magazine, your worksheet, and a pencil. So since it's really kind of like our Friday lesson, we're going to start with our story. So let me get that brought up here. And here we go. It's on page 112, Cock-a-Doodle Don't.
Cock-a-doodle don't. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle crow. Roosters, roosters, go, go, go. It was lunchtime on the day after everyone received Oswald's invitation, and the kids were yelling the roosters' cheer. They were so excited about the party that they couldn't talk about anything else. Cass felt left out. Alf said, "I bet the Roosters announcer will wish Oswald a happy birthday over the microphone. They'll flash Oswald's name in lights on the scoreboard," said Alec.
Sounds like a fun party to be at.
"Maybe they'll let us run the bases between innings," said Tick, "and give us bobblehead roosters or rooster booster t-shirts." "Everyone will sing the special Rooster's Happy Birthday song," said Icky. The kids sang, "Happy birthday to you, cock-a-doodle doodle doodle doo. Happy birthday, dear Oswald, from the Roosters to you." The more the kids cheered cock-a-doodle doo, the more miserable Cass felt. "Please," she thought, "cock-a-doodle don't."
Oh, I think Cass is feeling really not so good about the decision she made, and she's probably wishing she had chosen to not listen to Anna. Well, let's take a look at our workbook. Okay, so you're on page 61, and our directions say answer the questions about the stories on pages 104 to 111 in your reader. All right, so I'll read the questions to you. You can pause the video so you can take time to answer. And remember, you can always look back in the story to find the answer if you're not sure. So number one, what does Cass say when Oswald first tells her about his party? She doesn't like parties very much. She wants to come, but she'll ask her mom. She can't go because she has to go to Brownie's. So what does she first tell Oswald? All right, number two, why do Cass's feelings change when she talks to Anna? Because Anna invites her to go hiking instead, because Anna says Oswald isn't very nice to her, or because Anna says girls don't go to boys' parties in second grade. All right, so fill in the one you think is right. Number three, you're going to need to write a complete sentence. So capital letter at the beginning, ending mark at the end, and it needs to be a sentence, not just a couple of words that you would answer with there. What reason does Cass give Oswald for why she can't go to his party? So think about that. Number four, another complete sentence here. What is the real reason Cass doesn't want to go to Oswald's party? So think back, what's that real reason she gave for not wanting to go to Oswald's party? And write that out in a complete sentence. And then number five, what does Cass find out that makes her sorry she said she couldn't go to Oswald's party? There is going to be a magic show at the party. The whole class is going to the party at the Roosters game, or Oswald is mad at her for not wanting to come to his party. So fill that in as best as you can, all right? Pause the video if you need to, but we are gonna go ahead and take a look at our magazine. So just give me one moment here. Oh, that's the page we are on. All All right. So for our magazine article today, we need to pull up. We're going to pull up our magazine here in just a second, as long as I can get my computer to cooperate. All righty. So we're going to go back into our Super Kids lesson. And our magazine is the very last one for today. All right, so we're looking at page 37. And I know you can't see it yet on my screen. It's coming. Lazy Jane. Lazy, 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 lazy Jane. She wants a drink of water, so she waits and waits and waits and waits and waits for it to rain. I don't know about you, but sometimes these days I'm feeling like Lazy Jane. A little hard to get moving some days. All right, and then the back, last look, wet and wonderful. The next time you dive into a pool or swim in a lake or take a shower or get a drink or run in the sprinkler, think how lucky you are to have cool, clean water. All righty. And then the last worksheet to go along with our magazine article. It's our review of Splish Splash, okay? It says complete the page to tell what you learned from this super issue and what parts you like. So first part, circle the department you most enjoyed reading. Was it Super Shorts, Ask Anything, Ouch, Kid Talk, Snack Attack, or Last Look? And tell me one thing that you learned from this article. Make it a good sentence. And then down at the bottom, which was your favorite feature article? Circle the title. Water, Water Everywhere, Super Savers, The Never Ending Story, A Thirsty World, No Water, No Problem, Lost at Sea, or Famous Falls. Tell me one sentence what it was about and give me one sentence that you liked about it. Okay? All right, guys, that's all I have for you right now. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Get your work done. Be kind to your families.